how to get a programmable phone number with Twilio. In this video, I'll show you how to get a programmable phone number in Twilio. So to get started, go ahead and open Twilio into your preferred browser, sign into your Twilio account, and then head over into the console section. In here, go ahead and click on this phone numbers at the left side of your screen, and then click on manage, and then click on active numbers. So under the active numbers section, you'll be able to find the current programmable phone numbers you have, and then once you click on this buy a number section, you'll be able to find and buy a programmable phone number with Twilio. So go ahead and click on this buy button at the right side of that specific number that you want to buy. You can choose your number, filter by country, capabilities, and type. Twilio offers numbers in over 100 countries. Select your desired number and click buy, and the cost varies depending on the number type and location. Now, using Twilio's API to send SMS, make calls, and build IVR systems, Twilio provides quick start guides for language like Python, Node.js, Java, and more. And that is how you can basically get a programmable phone number with Twilio. So you need to basically buy a number on Twilio. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.